Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in today's video we will start reading with our next chapter from the book Moments. This is chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is The Last Leaf, and this chapter is written by Mr. O. Henry. So he is the writer of this chapter. So students, in this chapter we will read a story that is about a last leaf. So what is this last leaf, we will come to know. So now let's begin our story. First of all, before you read, so before starting the story, let's get some idea. It is autumn. So in the story we are having autumn season. So we all know that autumn is a season, and in this season all the trees, all the plants, they just shed their leaves, okay, so that there can be new leaves again. So this is autumn season. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily, and in this autumn season the wind, it is blowing very hard, okay, so a very strong wind is there and it is raining very heavily. All the leaves of an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Now there is one creeper, that is ivy creeper, and because it is autumn season, so all the leaves of that creeper, it have fallen, but except one, there is only one leaf that is still there, okay. So all the other leaves of that ivy creeper, they have fallen, but still there is one single last leaf that is still there on that creeper. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So now obviously we are having this question, that what is the reason that that last leaf, it is still there, why that last leaf is not falling, okay. So this is autumn season and all the other leaves, they have fallen, but why this last leaf, it is still there, why it is not falling? This is the question and we will get our answer in the story. So now let's begin reading our story. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. So in this story we are having these characters, these girls, first is Sue, second is Johnsy, and they are two young artists, okay, and they shared a small flat. So these are two girls, Sue is there, Johnsy is there, they are artists and they live together in a small flat. They shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So this flat was in a very old house, and in that old house, this flat was on the third story, right, third floor we can say. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. Now we have read that Sue is there, Johnsy is there. So one of the girl, that is Johnsy. So Johnsy, she fell very seriously ill when in the month of November, and what was her problem? She was having pneumonia. So what pneumonia means? Pneumonia is a kind of disease where there is some kind of infection in our lungs, okay. So Johnsy, she was having this infection, she was having this problem, she was having this particular kind of disease, that is pneumonia, and now she was very seriously ill, and it is time of November month. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Now she is very seriously ill, there is a lot of infection in her lungs, and now for the entire day she would just lie in her bed without moving. It means she is not at all interested in anything, she is just there on her bed, she just lie there and she is not doing anything, and she is just gazing out of the window, she is just looking outside from her window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. Now we have read earlier that Johnsy, she was having one roommate, that is her friend also, and the name of her friend is Sue. So Sue, that is her friend, now she is very much worried because her friend Johnsy, she is very much seriously ill. So now Sue, she is very much worried for the condition, for the poor condition of her friend. She sent for the doctor. So now finally she called a doctor. Sent for means called. So finally Sue, she called a doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnsy's condition. Now the doctor who was there to treat Johnsy, so that that doctor, he used to come every day, but still there was no change in the condition of Jhansi. There was no change in Jhansi's condition. So yes, doctor, he visited there every day, but still Jhansi, she was not at all recovering. There was not at all improvement in her condition. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, is anything worrying Jhansi? So now the doctor, he was also very much worried that what is the reason when he is there every day, but still Jhansi, she is not at all recovering. So now the doctor was very much worried also. So one day the doctor, he took Sue aside, and then the doctor, he asked her, and what the question that he was having, then he asked, is anything worrying Jhansi? So the doctor, he was having this question, and he asked to Sue that is there anything that is that much of troublesome for Jhansi? It means, is there anything that is troubling, that is worrying Jhansi so much? No, replied Sue. But why do you ask? So what is the reply? What was the answer of Sue? Sue replied that no, there is nothing such thing that actually worrying Jhansi. Next, Sue, she was having this question. She asked that why are you asking this question? Why do you want to know this? The doctor said, Jhansi, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. Then what is the reply of the doctor? Why the doctor, he actually wanted to know this thing? Then the doctor replied that Jhansi, it seems that she has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. It means doctor is saying that yes, he was giving the treatment, he was giving all the medicines, but still there was no improvement in Jhansi's condition. So now finally the doctor, he concluded that it seems that Jhansi has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. Made up her mind means she had decided that she will not get well, she won't be able to get well. Okay, so now doctor is saying that she is not at all determined to get well, she actually doesn't want to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. So finally doctor said that Jhansi, she is not having the desire to live a life, she actually doesn't want to live, and if she doesn't want to live, then all kinds of medicine, they will not help her unless she is not having the willpower, unless she is not having the desire to get well, unless she is not having the desire to live a life. Okay. Sue tried her best to make Jhansi take an interest in things around her. So now Sue, who is a very good friend of Jhansi, when she came to know about this thing that maybe Jhansi, she is not having to desire to live a life, so obviously Sue, now she is more worried, and now she was doing her best efforts to make Jhansi take an interest in things around her. So now Sue just wanted कि जो Jhansi है वो सभी चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट लेना स्टार्ट करे, अपनी लाइफ में थोड़ा सा इंजॉयमेंट लाए, अपनी लाइफ को इंजॉय करना स्टार्ट करे. सो नाउ सू टॉक्ड अबाउट क्लोथ्स एंड फैशंस, बट जॉन्सी डिड नॉट रेस्पॉन्ड. सो नाउ सू, शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ जॉन्सी, एंड नाउ शी वॉज एक्चुअली डूइंग हर बेस्ट एफर्ट, शी वॉज एक्चुअली ट्राइंग हर बेस्ट कि जॉन्सी हर चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट लेना स्टार्ट करे. एंड फॉर दैट नाउ शी वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लोथ्स, अबाउट द फैशंस, बट स्टिल जॉन्सी, शी डिड नॉट रेस्पॉन्ड. स्टिल जॉन्सी, शी वॉज हैविंग no interest in any of such things. Jhansi continued to lie still on her bed. So Jhansi, she was not at all responding, she was not at all showing any kind of interest, and still she was just lying on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Jhansi's room and started painting. So we have read earlier that both Sue and Jhansi, they are artists. Okay, so now Sue finally, she brought her drawing board, okay, where into Jhansi's room, and now she started painting. So in this picture we all can see this is the drawing board. So now Sue was one of the artists, so she was having such kind of drawing board. So now just to arise some kind of interest, some kind of entertainment in Jhansi's life, now finally Sue, she brought her drawing board into Jhansi's room, and there she started her painting. To take Jhansi's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. So Sue, now she was actually trying very hard, she was making all the efforts कि कैसे भी करके तो Jhansi है वो अपना थोड़ा सा माइंड डाइवर्ट करे, वो अपनी बीमारी के बारे में, अपनी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोचना छोड़े, वो थोड़ा सा कुछ और अपने बारे में सोचिए, लाइफ के बारे में सोचिए, अच्छी बातें सोचिए. ओके, सो नाउ Sue, she was doing the painting in her room, in Jhansi's room, and now she was whistling while working. वर्किंग, वाई, वो बस एफर्ट्स कर रही थी कि कैसे भी करके जॉन्सी है वो थोड़ा सा अपना माइंड डाइवर्ट कर ले. सडनली सू हर्ड जॉन्सी विस्पर समथिंग, बट जॉन्सी शी वॉज शोइंग नो इंटरेस्ट राइट in her work, in her painting, but suddenly Sue heard that Johnsy, she was whispering something, she was saying something in a very low voice. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. So now when Sue heard that Johnsy is saying something in a very low voice, then Sue, she very quickly rushed to the bed, she very quickly rushed to Johnsy, and then she heard what Johnsy was saying. So Johnsy, she was counting backwards. So what Sue heard, what Johnsy was saying, Johnsy was just counting, and how backward. So what backward counting means? Backward counting means like if we are counting 10, 9, 8, 7, okay, so this is the backward counting. So Johnsy, she was counting backwards and in a very low voice. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. So now when Sue is there near the bed of Johnsy, then Sue observed that Johnsy, she was looking out of the window. Okay, so one window was there near her bed. She was lying on her bed and she was looking outside from the window and she was saying 12. After some time she whispered 11. So we have read that she was counting backwards. So first of all she said 12. After some time she whispered, she again said in a very low voice 11, then 10. After some time she said 10, and after some time again she said 9, and then 8, and then 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. So now Sue, she is very much worried that why Johnsy is counting backwards, what is the matter. So in a very anxious manner, in a very worried manner, finally Sue, she looked out of the window that what Johnsy is looking at. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up to the brick wall opposite their window. And now finally Sue, when she looked outside from the window, because she just wanted to know that what is there outside the window, what Johnsy is looking at, then finally Sue saw that one old ivy creeper was there. So in this picture we all can see this is that creeper, ivy creeper. So such kind of ivy creeper was there that was climbing halfway up to the brick wall opposite their window. It means उनके विंडो के बाहर एक brick wall थी, and over that brick wall there was such old ivy creeper that was climbing. Okay. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves, and now because it is the autumn season that we have read, and outside there was a strong wind that was blowing. So because of the wind, the creeper, it was shedding its leaves. So all the leaves of that creeper, they were falling down. What is it, dear? Sue asked. So we can say that Sue, she is still confused, she is still puzzled at what is the matter, what Johnsy is counting. So now Sue asked that what is the matter, dear. 6, whispered Johnsy. So now Johnsy again, she is still counting backwards, and now she said 6. They are falling faster now. And now Johnsy said one more thing. This time she said that they are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. So why she is saying that they are falling faster? So next she is saying that 3 days ago on that creeper there were almost 100 leaves, and now because they are falling, so right now there are only 5 leaves left on that creeper. Clear? So outside the window one creeper was there, one ivy creeper was there, and because it was autumn season, so all the leaves of that creeper, they were falling, and Johnsy, she was looking there, she was looking at the fallen leaves. Okay, and she is saying that 3 days ago there were almost 100 of leaves there, and now only 5 leaves are left there on the creeper. It is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. So Sue is still unable, she is very much confused and puzzled, she is unable to understand anything, and she is saying that yes, it is autumn season, so obviously all the leaves, they will fall. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. So now finally Johnsy, she said something, and finality means very firmness with determination. And what was the thing that she said? She said that when when the last leaf falls, I will die. So according to Johnsy, she was looking there outside the window, she was looking at the falling leaves of that creeper, and now she said that when the last leaf of that creeper, when it will fall, so then I will also die. I have known this for the last 3 days. Next, Johnsy said that this is the thing that I am very much aware of for the last 3 days. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. So now Sue, she is having this reply. She replied that what are you talking about? This absolutely nonsense. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? Now Sue, she is having this question that why are you having this kind of connection between your health and those ivy creeper? So she is saying that what have old ivy leaves they have to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. Now Sue, she is saying that the doctor is very much confident, the doctor is very much sure that there is nothing to worry and very soon you will be better. Johnsy did not say anything, but Johnsy is still, she is not looking anything else, she is not having any interest and she is not at all responding. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup, but Sue, she is a very good friend, and now she went and she brought her a bowl of hot soup. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I am not hungry. But Johnsy, she is having no interest in anything and she said, I don't want to have any soup because I am not at all hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. Now Johnsy, one more time, she looked outside the window. She looked at that old ivy creeper and now she found that there are only 4 leaves left on that creeper. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark, then I will sleep forever. And now Johnsy, she is saying that I just want to see the last leaf to fall before it gets dark so that I will sleep forever. So now here we can see that Johnsy, she is full of negativity, she is having no positivity, she is having no hope, she is having no desire to live her life. Okay, why? Because she is totally surrounded by all kind of negativity. There is a lot of negativity in her heart, in her mind. This is the reason that she is having no hope. Sue sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her and said, so now Sue, she is very much worried and now she was there on Johnsy's bed और सिर्फ उसको अच्छा फील कराने के लिए now Sue, she kissed her just to show the love and affection. And now Sue, she is saying that you are not going to die. Next she said that I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. So earlier we have read that Sue, she was doing some kind of painting work. So she is saying that I need some kind of light on because that I can't draw the curtain and I want to finish my painting. Why? Because I want to have some money for both of us. Please my dear friend, she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. And now Sue, she is having one request. She requested Johnsy, she begged Johnsy and she said that my dear friend, I am doing the painting but you promise me that you will not look out of the window while I am doing the painting work. Alright, said Johnsy, finish your painting soon for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. So Johnsy, she is agreed with this thing and she said that alright, I won't look out from the window but just to finish your painting soon, just finish your work soon because I just want to see the last leaf fall because I am tired of waiting. And according to Johnsy, when that last leaf of that creeper, when it will fall, same time Johnsy, she will die also. I have to die, so let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. So Johnsy, she is actually having no desire to live a life. So she is saying that I have to die. Actually, she actually wanted to die and she is saying that let me go away peacefully just like one of those poor and tired leaves. So she is saying that like all those leaves of that creeper, they are falling. Similarly, I just want to die. I just want to have a peaceful death. Try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. So now Sue still she just trying to divert her mind. So now she is saying that just try to sleep and I just want to finish my painting and I have to paint an old miner. So what miner means? Miner is a person who works in a mine. So Sue she is making one painting and she just want to paint an old miner. I will call Behman up to be my model. And next Sue she is saying that I just want to paint an old miner and for that I want to one model. So for that she was having some plans. Sue is saying that I will call Behman up to be my model. Sue rushed down. Behman lived on the ground floor. So who is Behman? Behman is the person who also lived in that house also, but on the ground floor. So we have read earlier in the chapter that Sue and Johnsy they used to live in a flat that was there on the third floor, that was there on the third story, and this person Behman he was also there in same house but he was there on the ground floor. So Sue she just wanted to call this person, that is Behman. So students, now what will happen next? Johnsy who is having that much of negativity and she actually doesn't want to live a life, she is having no desire, no hope, but Sue she is a very good friend and she is also very much determined. You know कि वो अपनी friend में अच्छी बातें positivity लेकर आएगी, एक desire लेके आएगी to live a life. So now what will happen next? We will come to know in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.